Your scholarship essay, is it losing? Because your English is bad. It's losing because it sounds exactly like everyone else's. If you want AI tips that actually help students, not just write generic essays, hit subscribe. Every year, thousands of students start with, "Write my scholarship essay." I ask AI to help me tell my story. I open Multilo AI, paste the scholarship prompt, or upload my existing Word document. Within minutes, I have a stronger hook, a clear structure, a compelling introduction, logical body paragraphs, a memorable conclusion, not just an essay, an entire writing workflow. And here's my favorite part. Every research paper, every PDF, every note, every reference stays inside my research library. No more lost files. No more endless folders. Need to improve a paragraph? Edit it instantly. Need to add a table or image?
Done.
Need to organize references? Everything stays connected. The strongest scholarship essays aren't about using more AI. They're about telling your story better. Use AI to research, organize, improve, then make the final essay unmistakably yours. That's why I use Multilo AI. If you're applying for scholarships in 2026, don't just write harder, write smarter. And if this saved you time, subscribe. Your future self will thank you.